Hey everybody, it's Amanda. Today we're going to be discussing memory storage for integer arrays inside of C++. So we're going to go into depth a little bit more than what I discussed in my previous video discussing what an array is overall. Now we're going to be discussing memory for arrays. So as you can see, I've already ran my program. And as we declared yesterday, I have my const variable name size, which is assigned to 5. And then I declared my integer array right here, and I assigned each part of my array a number. So I assigned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is displayed here through this for loop. As we come down, there's a space, and then we use our size of to determine how big our integer array is. And as you can see, it contains 20 bytes. And I'll show you how we get that number here shortly. So, and then there's an extra space below just to make sure that it doesn't jumble up right here. So let's go ahead and see why this is equivalent, this integer array is equivalent to 20 bytes. So let's see where we get that 20 bytes from. So I'm going to go ahead and remind you that our arrays are in sequential order. However, they start at 0 instead of 1. So again, our first element inside of our array contains a 1. However, the index is going to start at 0. And this is how we access these elements in the array is through our index down here. So as you can see, since the numbers have been assigned, I'll go ahead and change the colors here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Since integers are equivalent to 4 bytes, so an integer is 4 bytes inside of C++. And we have 5 integers here. So 5 integers times the amount of bytes gives us 20. Some terms to look up and some notes from the video. So how much memory does an integer array contain? You should know that after this video. If you don't, then you should go and rewatch the video. Obviously, it's not going to contain just one size, so the array memory is determined on the data type as well as how many elements are contained. How to determine the size of an array. We saw the size of used in the very beginning. If you're not familiar with that, you can definitely look that up and rewatch the video. Again, and then here are some of my notes from the previous video as well. I'll go ahead and get these over and copy and paste them. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, share, subscribe, like. I hope everybody has a great day, and thanks for your time.